So, you've been diving into the world of crypto, right? Maybe you've dabbled in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or even some of those more exotic coins. And chances are, you've probably heard of Wealthsimple. It's a popular platform for getting started with crypto, but what if you're ready to take the next step? What if you want to move your crypto off Wealthsimple and into your own wallet? That's a great question, and that's exactly what we're going to dive into today. Let's talk about why you might want to transfer your crypto out of Wealthsimple. Now, I'm not here to bash the platform. Wealthsimple has its place, especially for beginners. But as you get more comfortable with crypto, you might start to feel the need for more control over your assets. Maybe you want to explore different wallets, or perhaps you're looking for a platform with more advanced trading features. Whatever your reason, understanding how to transfer your crypto out of Wealthsimple is essential. But before we jump into the how-to, let's talk about the different types of crypto wallets. You've got your hot wallets, which are essentially online wallets like the one Wealthsimple provides. These are convenient but can be less secure. Then there are cold wallets, which are physical devices or software that aren't connected to the internet. These are generally considered more secure but can be less user-friendly. So, which one should you choose? Well, that depends on your needs and risk tolerance. If you're holding a large amount of crypto or you're particularly concerned about security, a cold wallet might be the way to go. But if you're just starting out or you need to access your crypto frequently, a hot wallet could be a good option. Now, let's get down to business. How do you actually transfer crypto out of Wealthsimple? The process can vary slightly depending on the specific cryptocurrency you're dealing with, but the general steps are pretty similar. First, you'll need to have a wallet set up where you want to send your crypto. Make sure it's the right kind of wallet for the coin you're transferring. You'll also need the wallet address, which is a long string of letters and numbers. Treat this like your bank account number, it's crucial. Next, log into your Wealthsimple account and navigate to your crypto holdings. Find the coin you want to transfer and click on it. You should see an option to withdraw or send. Click on that. You'll then be prompted to enter the wallet address where you want to send your crypto. Double-check the address to make sure it's correct. Any mistakes here could result in lost funds. Once you've entered the wallet address, you'll need to specify the amount of crypto you want to transfer. Review the details carefully before confirming the transaction. It's important to note that there might be fees associated with transferring crypto, so be aware of those costs. Also, the time it takes for the transfer to complete can vary depending on the cryptocurrency and network congestion. Now, a word of caution. While transferring crypto isn't rocket science, it's essential to be careful. Double-check everything before hitting that send button. And remember, crypto transactions are generally irreversible, so there's no going back if you make a mistake. So there you have it. That's a basic overview of how to transfer crypto out of Wealthsimple. Remember, this is just a general guide. Specific steps might vary depending on the platform and cryptocurrency you're using. Always do your own research and consider consulting with a financial advisor if you're unsure about anything. Crypto can be volatile, so it's important to understand the risks involved. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.